Alright, the machine is running. It's kind of loud in here. I hope you guys can hear me. But the machine is running and it's doing what it's supposed to do. And I'm going to show you guys the outcome when it's done. I said I was going to talk to you guys later, but I want to just show y'all, some things. Right now my life is kind of boring. Believe me, if you follow my life, it's going to get exciting. I'm going to show you all the things that happens in my life. It's something like a reality TV show for now, you know what I'm saying? Hey, when you get to meet my wife and my kids, things is gonna be real funny. All right, let me get back to work.